21 young, hopeful, beautiful girls went to a paradise resort in Calatagan, Batangas for an overnight stay at Punta Balwarte, venue for the pre-pageant of Ipulaga and Finale Shampoo's Search for Beautiful Girls. The girls arrived at 10 in the evening, full of eagerness and excitement. Ahead of them was a hectic schedule of video coverages, rehearsals, all mixed with youthful enthusiasm. Just as dawn breaks, preparations for the day's activities were already in full swing. It was time for the girls to face a select group of judges. Mr. Marvin Ngo, product manager of Finale Shampoo. Fashion trendsetter, Mr. Larry Silva. Mr. Toots Tolentino, an advertising and public relations practitioner. Hair and beauty expert, Benji Alcantara. Host, actor, television and movie producer, Mr. Vic Soto. And a well-respected and multi-awarded actress, Miss Charito Solis. It was in a private function room where the girls paraded in their best summer wears. All 21 girls captured and enthralled the judges with their youth and beauty when they delivered their prepared spiels in the presentation portion. Next was the talent portion. Everyone gave their best. The exceptional performances of the variety of talents the girls displayed definitely impressed the judges all the more. The last and final test was the one-on-one interview portion. It was a relaxed, spontaneous and casual exchange between the girls and the judges.
Pero one thing about if you think you'll be able to fulfill your obligation.
Well, yung sinasabi nga sa akin, yung compatible po ako, almost science. Hindi, or the half of it. I would keep it in the
The tension is eased, but one question remained unanswered. Who among the 21 girls will be included in the Magic 8? It was a long night for all the beautiful girl grand finalists, but it was a night full of beautiful experiences that will definitely be a memorable part of their youth. And now let's find out who will be the 8 lucky beautiful girl finalists.
The contestants had a lot of fun making the most out of all the facilities of Punta Baluarte dito.
Of course. I'm sure they enjoyed that. You've seen the 21 grand finalists now cut down to 20.
Yes, and in a little while, we'll see the Magic 8.
We'll be announcing the Magic 8 after some reminders.
You buy Finale, the complete shampoo. This special is brought to you by Finale, the complete shampoo.
We're back in the grand finals for Search for Beautiful Girl. Brought to you by Finale, the complete shampoo.
Okay.
At sa ilang sandali, mga kaibigan, we will be announcing the Magic 9.
Ito, yan na naman ang istorya. Magandang nangyayari sa numerology dito sa Itbulaga ngayong araw na ito on the grand finals of Beautiful Girl. Originally, 21.
Yes.
Ang nangyari, nagkaroon ng sakit yung isa, nagka-allergy, nagkasakit, imposible talaga. Kahit anong pilit natin, at hirap na hirap siya, gustong-gusto niyang pilitin yung sarili niya, hindi pwede. So, na-cut down to 20. Ngayon, gaya na nga na-explica namin kanina, i-announce na natin ngayon yung Magic 8 sapagkat kung ilang araw na nga dumaan na sa mga kung ano yan.
Pero nasabi ko na 9 eh.
Ito nga eh, the Magic 8. Bakit ngayon sasabihin mo na 9?
Ewan ko.
Kasi